I decided to try celery juice at 52, not because of hype, but because my digestion felt slower than it used to. Less energy in the morning, more bloating after dinner. Nothing dramatic, just subtle shifts that come with time. Celery juice affects hydration and digestion. What is inside celery juice? Celery contains water, potassium, small amounts of vitamin K, folate, and plant compounds like apigenin. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH), potassium supports fluid balance and normal muscle function. The World Health Organization, who highlights the importance of adequate fruit and vegetable intake for cardiovascular support. Celery is not magic, but it is hydrating and low in calories. Day 1 felt simple. I drank about 1 cup, roughly 240 milliliters, on an empty stomach. Mostly water with a mild salty taste. I noticed slightly increased urination. That makes sense. Celery has natural sodium and potassium, which influence fluid regulation. Day 2 brought mild digestive movement. Fiber content in whole celery supports stool bulk. Juice contains less fiber, but some soluble components remain. Research in Nutrients Journal discusses how plant compounds may influence gut microbiota balance. My bloating felt lighter, though that may relate to replacing sugary drinks with something simpler. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation and tolerance matter. Day 3 surprised me. My morning felt clearer. Was it celery? Or better hydration? Likely both. Mayo Clinic notes that even mild dehydration can reduce alertness. Drinking celery juice may indirectly improve energy simply by increasing total fluid intake. Day 4 felt steady. No dramatic transformation. No sudden weight drop. Just slightly improved digestion and lighter meals because I was more mindful. Why results can feel fast after 50 as we age. Kidney filtration rate gradually changes. Metabolism slows modestly. Hormonal shifts influence fluid balance. Small hydration adjustments can therefore feel more noticeable. This is described in reviews published in the Journal of Gerontology. The body becomes more sensitive to routine changes. Possible bloating in sensitive individuals. Important considerations after 50. Celery contains natural sodium. Individuals with high blood pressure should monitor total sodium intake. Those on diuretics should speak with a healthcare professional before making consistent changes. Effects vary by dose and health condition. Consult your doctor before dietary shifts. How I used it safely. I kept the portion moderate. 1 cup daily. 4 days only. I tracked sleep, digestion, and blood pressure readings at home. No extreme claims. Just observation. Did it improve everything? No. Did it help hydration and awareness? Yes. And sometimes awareness is the real benefit. I also learned that whole celery offers fiber benefits that juice alone cannot provide. Fiber supports bowel regularity by increasing stool bulk and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. That mechanism is well documented in gastroenterology research. Celery juice is not a cure. It may support hydration and digestion. Results depend on overall diet, medications, and lifestyle. Track how your body responds. Note changes calmly. Adjust gradually. If this helped you think clearly, like and share. Small habits shape strong years ahead.